In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to assemble the Shark DuoClean upright vacuum. Firstly, insert the wand into the motorized nozzle, ensuring it clicks into place. Next, fit the pod onto the wand. A click will be heard when it is correctly mounted. Insert the handle into the wand, pressing it until it clicks into place. Attach the hose to the wand with a hose clip. Then, connect the hose to the back of the pod. You can now attach the supplied accessories on the accessory posts on the pod. Wrap the cord around the upper and lower cord hooks. Rotate the upper hook to remove the cord. Your Shark vacuum is now ready to use.